Hello everyone, I will continue with the next problem in constructing of Turing machine. The next problem is design a Turing machine to accept the language. The given language is L is equal to a to the power of n, b to the power of n and c to the power of n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. Okay. So now we will see what are the possible strings that will come under the given language. So when n becomes what 1, so we are going to have a, b and c. So a to the power of 1 is a and b to the power of 1 is also what b and c to the power of 1 is also what c. So you will get 1a followed by 1b and 1c when n becomes what 1. When n becomes what 2, so we will get 2a, 2b and 2c. And when n becomes what 3, we will get 3a, 3b and 3c, and this will what continue. Okay. So equal number of a's followed by equal number of b's and followed by equal number of c's. Such a string is called as what? Valid string. Okay, those string we have to accept. Okay, for that we have to construct what? Turing machine. So first we will see what is the logic. You know, Turing machine will going to have a read write, right? So that can move in both the ways, left or what? Right hand side. So what you read write will going to do? It will read one input from the finite length, and that will be replaced with what? Some special symbol. So it will going to read what a and it will be replaced with what x. Okay. So meaning is we have what 1a. Next what it will do? It will move what? Right hand side. Okay. If you have what 1a, if the string is what valid, then there should be what 1b. Okay. So it will keep on searching. It will keep on moving in the right hand side in searching what b. Once I get what b, what it will do? It will going to replace that one with what y. The meaning is there is 1a within whatever string as well as what 1b. Okay, if string is what valid, whenever there is 1a and 1b, there should be what? Exactly 1c. So it will keep on moving and searching what? C in the right hand side. Why? Because a should be followed by b and b should be followed by what? C. Once I get a c, it will be replaced with what? Z. Okay, now I have what? 1a, 1b and what? 1c. So a is replaced with what? X, b is replaced with what? Y and c is replaced with what? Z. After that again it will start moving what? Left hand side. In searching what? Is there any b within the given string. So it will go till what? The last symbol that is what replaced. What is the last symbol that is what replaced? X. So it will reach till what? X. Okay, because that is the last symbol that is what replaced. Once I get x, again it will start moving the right hand side. Okay, immediate next symbol after what x, if it is what a, means there is a one more a within the given string. Okay, suppose if the given string is what a, b, c, I will going to replace this one of the x, next b with what y and c with what z. Again I will come back till what? The last symbol that is what replaced. Last leftmost symbol that is what replaced. The last leftmost symbol that is what replaced is what? A with what x. So once I get a x, means that is the last leftmost symbol that is what replaced. So after what x, if immediately if I get a y, means what is the meaning? There are no extra a's in the given string. Okay, so a's are what? Over. Now after what y, if immediately if I get a z, means what is the meaning? There are no extra b's. After what z, immediately if you get a blank space, means what is the meaning? There are no extra c's. Okay, so you can accept that particular string. So I will just complete this one. So again I got I will reach to extreme left. So I got x, that is the last symbol that is what replaced. Again I will keep on moving in the right hand side. So what is the first symbol I got? I got is what? X. I will going to replace that one with what? X. Again I will keep on moving the what? Right hand side. Okay. So until I get what? B. Once I get a B, that will be replaced with what? Y. Again I will move right hand side in searching of what? C. Once I get a C, I will going to replace that one with what? Z. Okay. Again I will move back till the last symbol that is what replaced in the leftmost position. What is the last symbol that is what replaced in the leftmost position? X. Until I get what? X, I will keep on moving in the left hand side. Once I get X, again I will keep on moving the right hand side. Okay, I will check what is the next symbol after what? X. If it is what A, then I will going to replace that one with what? X. Again I will move in the right hand side in searching of what? B. Once I get a B, I will going to replace that one with what? Y. Again I will move in the right hand side in searching of what? C. Once I get a C, I will going to replace that one with what? Z. Okay, again I will move back till I get what? X, because that is the last symbol that is what replaced in the leftmost position. Once I get a x, what I will do? I will move in the right hand side. So after x, immediately if you get a y, means there are no a's. A's are over. Okay, a's are over. Now what I will do? I will keep on moving the right hand side in searching of for b's. Searching of for extra b, if I get a Z, what is the meaning? There are no extra B, means B's are what over. Now again I'll continue moving the right hand side. Okay, in searching of for C. In searching of for C, okay, if I get a blank space, the meaning is there are no extra C's or C's are over. So whatever the string that is there within the finite length, that is what valid, you can accept that particular string. Okay, this is the logic. So now for this logic, I am going to construct both the transition diagram as well as what transition function. So first I'll go with what transition function. Then using the transition function, I'll go to write a transition diagram. Okay. So your transition function starts from state Q0 because that is a start state. So now what is the state Q0? Q0 upon A. So what is Q0 upon E? Q0 upon E is you replace that A with X and keep on moving which side? Right hand side by changing state to what? Q1. Okay, and I will going to use the following states. So Q0. So to replace A with what? X and to move what? Right hand side. Q1. So whenever I get a B, replace that one with what? Y, move on what? Right hand side. And Q2 to replace C with what? Z and keep on moving what? Right hand side. Sorry, left hand side. Start moving what? Left hand side. And Q3 in order to find what? X. Okay, and Q4 to find what? Any extra B's. Okay, and Q5 to find any extra C's. And if there is no extra C's, in that case I will going to use a QF to accept that particular string. Okay, so these are the following states I am going to use. Q0 whenever I get A, to replace that A with what? X and to move what? Right hand side. And Q1 whenever I get B, to replace that one with what? Y, again move on what? Right hand side. Q2 replace C with what? Z. Okay, and start moving what? Left hand side, because I got 1A, 1B and 1C. Now to find is there any one more A within the given string. Okay, for that I will use what? Q3. Okay, so Q3 will move up to what? X in which side? Left hand side. Okay, in searching of what? X. Q4 to find extra B, Q5 to find what? Extra C. And if within a Q5 if I got a blank space, I will go with what final state and I will accept that particular string, because that string is what? Valid. Okay, yeah. So Q0 upon A, replace this A with what? X and move what? Right hand side by changing state to what? Q1. So now it will come over here with the state what? Q1. Okay, so now delta of Q1 upon E. So if it is a, you maintain that A as it is and keep on moving which side? Right hand side. So why? Because I am using Q1 in order to find what? B. Okay, so now again it will move at right hand side to come over here with the same state what? Q1. Okay, so again Q1 upon E. So Q1 upon E is already written. Maintain that A as it is and move at right hand side by maintaining what? Same state. So it will move at right hand side, okay, with same state what? Q1. So now what is the input? B. So delta of Q1 upon B. Okay, now so Q1 upon B, you have to replace that B with what? Some special symbol. I am going to use what? Y. So replace B with what? Y and move what? Right hand side by changing state to what? Q2. Okay, yeah. So again it will move what? Right hand side. First it will replace B with what? Y and it will move what? Right hand side by changing state from Q1 to Q2. Okay, so now delta of Q2 comma B. So Q2 comma B, maintain that B as it is. Why? Because I am using Q2 not to find what? C. If I get a C, I will going to replace that one with Z. Okay, so maintain that B as it is, move at right hand side by maintaining same state what? Q2. Okay, yeah. So it will going to replace, it will maintain that B as it is and it will move at right hand side by maintaining same state what? Q2. Again Q2 upon B. Q2 upon B, it will maintain that B as it is and it will move at right hand side with the same state what? Q2. So it will come over here. Okay, so now Q2 upon C. So delta of Q2 comma C. So now it will going to replace C with special symbol Z and it will move what? Left hand side by changing state to what? Q3. Okay, C will be replaced with what? Z. the C will be replaced with what Z, and it will move at left hand side by changing state from Q2 to Q3. Okay. Yeah. So next towards next transition, delta of Q3 comma B. So maintain that B as it is and move at left hand side with same state what Q3. So why we are using what Q3? We are using what Q3 to find what X, because that is the last symbol that is what replaced in the extreme left. Okay. So it will move till what X. For all the other symbol it will keep on moving what left hand side. Now it will come over here. Okay. So now delta of Q3 comma B. So Q3 comma B is already written. It will maintain B as it is and it will move at left hand side with same state what Q3. So it will move at left hand side with the same state what Q3. So Q3 upon Y. So that I have to write delta of Q3 comma Y. So it will maintain that Y as it is and it will move at left hand side. Okay, with same state what Q3. Okay, yeah. So it will maintain that Y as it is and it will move left hand side same state what Q3. Okay, yeah. So next, yeah, next what's the next transition? Delta of Q3 comma A. Q3 comma A is not written, so I'll write that one. Q3 comma A is, you will going to maintain that A as it is and you will move at left hand side with same state what Q3 until you get X. Keep on moving what left hand side. So it will come over here. Okay, so again Q3 comma is already written, no need of writing what one more time. So it will come over here left hand side. Now delta of Q3 comma X. What is Q3 comma X? You maintain that X as it is. Now I got the extreme left symbol, that is what replaced. Okay, so I will going to maintain that one as it is and I will move at which side? Right hand side by changing state to or connecting back to what Q0. So again I will connect back to what Q0. So now in the Q0 I will going to check whether that's a or what Y. If I get a Y means A is or what over. If I get a I will going to replace that one with X. Okay. So Q0 upon A is already written. Q0 upon A, you will going to replace A with X and you will move what right hand side by changing state to what Q1. Q1 upon A is already written. You will going to maintain that A as it is and you will move at right hand side with same state what Q1. It will come over here. Q1 upon Y. Q1 upon Y is not written, write that one. Delta of Q1 comma Y. So Q1 comma Y is, you will maintain that Y as it is and you will move right hand side with same state what Q1. Okay, yeah. So you will maintain that Y as it is and it will move at right hand side. So Q1 upon B. Q1 upon B is already written. So Q1 we are using to replace B with what Y and we got that one. So Q1 upon Y we are going to replace B with what Y. The meaning is we got second B. We got second A as well as what second B. Okay. So we are going to replace that one with what Y and we will move at right hand side by changing state to what Q2. Okay. So now Q2 upon B. Q2 upon B is already written. We are going to maintain that B as it is and we will move at right hand side with same state what Q2. So it will come over here. Okay. So Q2 upon Z. So delta of Q2 upon Z is not written. So delta of Q2 comma Z is equal to, so you will maintain that Z as it is and you will move at right hand side by maintaining same state what Q2. Okay. So you will going to maintain that Z as it is and you will move at right hand side same state what Q2. Q2 upon C. Q2 upon C is already written. We are using Q2 whenever I get a C to replace that one with what Z. Okay, and we got that one. We will going to replace Z with Z. Now it will move which side? Left hand side by changing state to what Q3. Q2 upon C, it will replace C with what Z and it will move left hand side by changing state to what Q3. Okay, so Q3 upon Z. Q3 upon Z is not written. You write that one. Delta of Q3 comma Z. So we will maintain Z as it is and we will move at left hand side by maintaining same state what Q3. Okay, so it will come out left hand side with same state what Q3. So Q3 upon B. Q3 upon B is already written. So So it will maintain B as it is, and it will move at left hand side with the same state what Q3. Okay. Q3 upon y is already written, so it will maintain y as it is, and it will move at left hand side with same state what Q3. It will come over here. Again Q3 upon y, same thing, so it will move at left hand side. So yeah, Q3 upon A is already written, so it will going to maintain that A as it is, and it will move at left hand side by maintaining what same state Q3. So it will come over here. So Q3 upon x is already written, it will maintain that x as it is. Now it will move at right hand side by connecting back to what Q0, because that is x is the last leftmost symbol, that is what replaced, and I got that symbol, so it is connecting back to what Q0. Okay. So Q0 upon A will going to replace that A with x, okay, and will move which side, right hand side, by changing state to what Q1. Okay. Q1 upon y is already written, we will going to maintain y as it is, and will move at right hand side with same state what Q1. So it will come over here. Again Q1 upon y is already written, it will going to maintain y as it is, and it will move at right hand side with same state what Q1. So it will come over here. Okay. Q1 upon B, it's already written, it will going to replace B with y, B will be replaced with y, and it will move at right hand side, okay, by changing state to what Q2. So it will come over here. Q2 upon Z, yeah, Q2 upon Z is already written, it will going to it will maintain that Z as it is, and it will move at right hand side with same state what Q2. It will come over here. Again Q2 upon Z, so it will going to maintain that Z as it is, and it will move at right hand side by maintaining same state what Q2. So it will come over here, same state what Q2. Now Q2 upon C is already written, it will going to replace C with what Z. So this C, last C will be replaced with what Z, okay, and it will move at left hand side by changing state from Q2 to Q3. So it will move at left hand side by changing state from Q2 to Q3. Okay. Yeah. Now Q3 upon Z, it's already written. Okay, it will maintain that Z as it is, and it will move at left hand side with the same state what Q3. So it will come over here. Okay. Again Q3 upon Z, it will going to maintain that Z as it is, and it will move at left hand side with same state what Q3. So it will come over here. Q3 upon Y is already written, it will maintain Y as it is, and it will move at left hand side with the same state what Q3. Okay, it will come over here. Now Q3 upon Y, again same thing, it will move at left hand side with the same state what Q3. Again Q3 upon Y, the same thing, it will come over here. Now Q3 upon X, so it will maintain that X as it is, and it will move at right hand side by changing state from Q3 to Q0. So it will change the state from Q3 to Q0. So now you check that one. Q0 upon Y. So already I told, within the Q0, if I got a Y means after X, immediately I am getting what Y. The meaning is ESR what over. Once the ESR what over, I have to check is there any extra B. Therefore, I am going to take one more state. So Q0 upon Y. So what I will do, I will going to maintain that Y as it is, and I will move at right hand side by changing state to what Q4. So I am using this Q4 in order to check is there any extra B. Okay. Yeah. So I will drop this part. So I am using what Q4 in order to check is there any extra B. Now I will write delta of Q4 comma Y is equal to, so we will going to maintain that Y as it is, and we will move at right hand side with same state what Q4. Okay. So now Q4 upon Y, this Y will be maintained as it is, and it will move at right hand side with the same state what Q4. It will come over here. Okay. So again Q4 upon Y, this Y will be maintained as it is, and it will move at right hand side with the same state what Q4. Now Q4 upon Z, delta of Q4 upon Z. See, in the Q4, I am searching for what extra B, and I got Z, means there are no extra B's. There are no extra A's and there are no extra B's. Now I have to check is there any extra C's. So for that, what I will do, I am going to take one more state Q5. Okay, so I am going to maintain that Z as it is, and I will keep on moving with side, right hand side. Okay, so delta of, so it will come over here by changing state to what, Q5, and Z will be maintained what as it is. Now delta of Q5 comma what Z. So we will going to maintain this Z as it is, and we'll move at right hand side with the same state Q5. Okay, so it will come over here. Okay. So again Q5 comma Z. This Z will be maintained as it is, and it will move at right hand side with the same state what Q5. Now in the Q5 we got blank space. The meaning is there are no extra C's. There are no extra A's. Already we come to know that there are no extra A's, extra B's. Now we come to know that there are no extra C's. Now whatever the string that is what taken is what valid, and you have to accept that particular string. Okay. In a Q5, if you get a blank space, means there are no extra C's. You go to what accepting state, and you can accept that particular string. Why? Because the string whatever we have taken is what valid. Okay. So delta of, in a Q5, if I get a blank space, the meaning is you maintain that blank space as it is. So write what dash, means either you can alt your machine the right hand side or left hand side, that is up to you, or you just write what dash and go to what final state and accept that particular string. Why? Because that string is what valid. Okay. So this is a transition function for a to the power of n and b to the power of n and c to the power of n. Now using this transition function, I am going to write what transition diagram. So if you have a transition function, so writing transition diagram is what easy. So first transition function is between Q0 and Q1. So write what two states, one is Q0, another one is Q1. Okay, and connect these two using what, an arrow. Okay, so now you write A first, A slash x comma what r. So in the left hand side you write this part. Okay, this A. In the right hand side you write what, this part, after writing what, slash. Okay. So next transition is between Q1 and Q1. So you write what, loop. Okay, Q1 to Q1, A slash A comma r. A slash this part. First you write A, okay, then you write what, slash, then you write what, this part. Okay, in the same way next Q1 to Q2. So you take what, one more state Q2. So write what transition, Q1 to Q2 is B slash Y comma R. Okay. Next Q2 to Q2 means you have to go with what, loop. So B slash B comma R. Okay. Next Q2 to Q3. So you take one more state, Q3. Q2 to Q3, this one C slash Z comma L. Next Q2 to Q3 to Q3. So go with loop, B slash, okay. So Q3 to Q3, B slash B comma L. Again one more is Q3 to Q3, Y slash Y comma L. Okay. So next again Q3 to Q3. So one more, I will write over here, A slash A comma L. So next Q3 to Q0. So connect back to what, Q0. Q3 to Q0, X slash X comma L. Next Q1 to Q1. So Q1 to Q1 already I written what, loop. You write what, one more transition, that is Y slash Y comma R. This one, Y then slash this part, Y comma R. Okay. Next Q2 to Q2. So already I written what, loop, Z slash z comma r. Okay, again q3 to q3 z slash. So loop you have to write as z slash, I will write over here, z slash z comma r. So q0 to q4. So q0 to q4 you have to take one more state q4. So q0 to q4, this one, y slash y comma r, y slash y comma r, y slash y comma r. Next q4 to q4, so you have to go with loop. So you have to use what loop? Y slash y comma r. Okay. Next q4 to q5, we have to take one more new state q5. q4 to q5, that is z slash z comma r. So from q5 to qf, so that is an accepting state, therefore take two circle. So blank space slash blank space comma dash. Okay, so this transition diagram for the given language a to the power of n, b to the power of n, c to the power of n. If you have transition function, it is easy to write what? Transition diagram. And finally, this is a transition table for the same a to the power of n, b to the power of n, c to the power of n problem. So q0 upon a, we are going to replace a with what x and we will move at right hand side by changing state to what q1. If you know either transition diagram or a transition function, we can write what transition table easily. So q0 upon a is, we will replace a with what x and we will move at right hand side by maintaining the same state what q1. What is q1 upon a? We are going to maintain that a as it is and we will move at right hand side with the same state what q1. That is some meaning. The same way for what? Other transitions. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.